गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग। Okay, fine. So how was your test? I think this time's test was not that difficult. This time test you must have done good. Yes? Anybody is getting full marks? Is there any one of you, any honhar bacha? Good. Okay. 91. Very good, Ashwin. Very good. Excellent. Quite easy. Yes, yes. Very good, Ashwin. Very good. Excellent. Anybody is getting more than 91? Anyone is getting more than 91? Very good, Ashwin. Yes. Okay. Aprajita, how much you're getting? 90, 104. Okay. It's okay, bacha. Don't worry, Bala. This is the second time you're writing the exam. No? Don't worry. So I've got 144. Oh my God. Very good. Array, not total in maths. I'm talking about in maths. I'm just talking about in maths marks. I'm saying how much marks in maths. Okay, Bala, it's okay, fine. Okay. See, one more thing I want to tell you first, that see, whatever doubts you have, any doubt you have in any question, okay, just send me a WhatsApp message. I think one student sent me 2 WhatsApp messages today, right? So send me a WhatsApp message, and tomorrow in the class, tomorrow, whatever those doubts are, I will take those doubts in the class. Okay, fine. No, but Pranav, I think keys were all correct. I personally have checked the keys, so keys were all correct. So whatever you have doubts in the maths question, you just send me a WhatsApp. है ना? By evening, by 5 p.m. you send me WhatsApp message. Tomorrow I will take those questions in the class. है ना? Okay, fine. Okay, chalo, let's start today's class. Why didn't you come to doubt class? Are I was there in doubt class. I came doubt class. Okay. I saw some hard wrong question. Some wrong keys. Okay, whatever question you think are keys are wrong, you just tell me. Okay, I don't think so there was any wrong key, but if there were wrong key, you just tell me. Okay. No, I think there was some. There will be a doubt class from now onwards. Enough on the desired days, there will be a class. 11 marks in maths. What do I do? Okay, fine. Okay. Chalo, let's see. Let's start today's class. So we have seen formulas. So I will write the basic formulas which we have seen till now very quickly. So we have seen formulas like first we started with cos of a plus b. Then we moved on to cos of a minus b. Then we had sine of a plus b. Then we have sine of a minus b, right? So we have these 4 formulas: sine of a minus b, sine of a plus b, है ना? Okay, sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. These formulas we have memorized. I hope everybody has memorized these formulas. Then fifth was tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is coming from the previous one only, and sixth was tan of a minus b. These formulas should be memorized, है ना? I don't want you to derive these formulas in the class, because these formulas should be on your tips. Okay, first is this set of formulas, है ना? First is this set of formulas. Sir, when I was writing the sir, I'm not able to join into the previous doubts. From now on, bacha, don't worry. Now on you will. Okay, fine. So these you must have memorized. From these formulas, we got different set of formulas which were transforming. That means first cos of 90 plus or minus theta, comma sine of 90 plus or minus theta. We know what this is. And similarly tan of 90 plus minus theta, right? Second was cos of 180 plus minus theta, sine of 180 plus minus theta, and tan of 180 plus minus theta. Then third was cos of 270 plus minus theta, sine of 270 plus minus theta, and tan of 270 plus minus theta, है ना? Fourth was cos of 360 plus minus theta, sine of 360 plus minus theta, and tan of 360 plus minus theta. Okay, so these are formulas we have seen, and these formulas were coming from this basic formulas, this mother or parent formulas, है ना? From these parents formulas we also got these kind of formulas, which was first was sine of 2 theta or sine of 2x. If you want to write anything is okay, so this is, है ना? Then second was cos of 2x, and third was tan of 2x, right? So we know how you are getting these formulas, and we also have remembered these formulas. These are very important formulas. These formulas are very important. If you have not memorized this formula, write these formulas 10 times, write these formula 10 times, and you will be able to understand. Okay, write all these formulas 10 times, you will be able to understand. Okay, fine. Okay, next let's see. So next is from these only, so the next set of formulas we will try to see the next set of formulas. Okay, before further moving towards the questions, we will solve next questions, next formulas, and see whatever was asked in test, whatever was asked in the test in on Sunday. If you are not able to solve after this week's class, you will be able to solve this test, and you will be able to solve the previous test also completely. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see the next set of formulas, which were, just wait for a second. Yes, so now the next set of formulas these are also very important formulas you have to remember, right? So we have seen sine of 2x, right? We have seen sine of 2x. So remember, first is sine of 2x can also be written as 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. And second formula is or just wait. First is sine of 2x can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Yeah, and this second is cos of 2x can be written as 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, now I want you to prove these two. I want you to prove that sine 2x is this, and cos 2x is this. Okay, Bala, yes, I know you have sent me the message, so I will take all the test questions tomorrow, so that all the students who have not done, so they will send me the message, and I will do all the questions tomorrow, hai na? So that if anybody has not done the revision or the test once again, they can send me tomorrow. So tomorrow I will solve all the questions. Don't worry, Bala. Okay, I have got your message. I know, I've seen it today in the morning. I saw, and I will solve those questions. Don't worry, but I want everybody to send, so that I can solve all the questions, exam questions which they have doubt tomorrow. Okay, fine. Okay, I want you to prove this. I want you to prove this. Okay, both of them. So let's see for the first one. So this is sine 2x is equals to 2 tan x over 1 plus tan square x, right? So we know that sine of 2x we should get 2 cos x into sine x. 2 cos x into sine x. So let's see what this is. 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. If I will convert these two into cos and cos, sine and cos, so this will be 2 sine x upon cos x divided by tan square x can be written as cos square x plus sine square x divided by cos square x. So this is 1. So this is 2 sine x by cos x into cos square x. This square and square gets cancelled. So this is nothing but 2 sine x. So this is the derivation of the first. So hence proved. Okay, I hope this is clear. The first derivation, second one. I will prove this one also. Cos 2x, you should get cos 2x, you should get cos square x minus of sine square x, right? So let's see, 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. If I will convert into sine and cos, so this will become cos square x minus sine square x upon cos square x upon this is cos square x plus sine square x upon cos square x. Cos square gets cancelled. So this is cos square x minus sine square x. Everybody understood? And this is nothing but cos of 2x, right? So we got both the proofs. Just copy them. No, bacha, sine 2x is not equals to 2 sine x. They are not same. These are not equal. Okay. Fine. Okay. Copy these two. Two sine, where this is x, na? This is x. This is cos square x upon cos x. बच्चे देखो तो ध्यान से, you just listen carefully. It's 2 sine 2x. I have written 2 sine x into cos x. 2 sine x into cos x. I have not written sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x. I have written sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x into cos x. Sorry, 2 sine x into, okay, so sine x into cos x. 2 sine x into this, cos and cos gets cancelled, 2 sine x into cos x. Okay, fine. I hope everything is now clear. Yeah, you can use my notes for school notes henceforth. This is 2 sine x cos x. So this is this is nothing but sine of 2x. I forgot to write cos x. Okay, Raghavendra, did you understand now? I missed by mistake. I didn't write cos x. Okay, fine, sine 2x. Okay. Okay, fine. Acha, that is why you were asking. Yeah, correct. I understood now your doubt. Okay, this is okay. Now next, let's see next. Yes, very good. Okay. Thank you for pointing out. It's okay. And by mistake I didn't write cos x. Okay, fine. So let's see. Next is so now we have seen sine 2x. So now let's move forward and let's see. So a third kind of formula will be sine of 3x, which I have asked in the question. है ना? No, half. So Anjay, yeah, almost all the trigonometry, है ना? So whatever I will do till Friday, I will give you from that concept only, है ना? So from whatever I have done in the, okay, so okay, check this. Copy this, don't worry. Copy. Okay, fine. Second formula is cos 2x. So what I'm doing is 10 square x I'm writing as sine square x upon cos square x. So what I have substituted here, 10 square x is equals to sine square x. 10 square x is equals to sine square x upon cos square x, and I have substituted in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So from there I will get directly. Okay, from there I will get directly this result. Okay, let's see. The next set of formula is third, which is, suppose you have been asked to find the value of sine of 3x, which I have asked in the exam. Find the value of sine of 3x, and in the sine of 3x. So what will be the value of sine of 3x? This will be 3 sine x minus 4 sine of cube x. 3 sine x minus of 4 sine cube x. See, so I want you to prove this. Sine 3x is equals to 3 sine x is equals to 4 sine cube x, right? So to prove this, I will give you a hint. So to prove this, what we can use, sine of 3x, I can write as sine of 2x plus x, sine of 2x plus x, and sine of 2x afterwards, 2x I can write as x plus x, right? So you have to write the formula 2 times. Yeah, it's right? So sine of 3x I can write as sine of 2x plus x, and then 2x I can write as x plus x, because some of the students were not there, so I'm solving it once again. Okay, yeah. So solve it. So solve it. Sine of 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So I will solve sine for myself. I will solve sine. Same thing I want you to do for cos, and I want you to solve for cos now only. Okay. So let's see. So what will happen is sine of 3x I am writing as sine of 2x plus x. Listen very carefully each and every step. So this will be sine of 2x into cos of x plus cos of 2x into sine of x. Yeah, that is why I've given you this formula in the test, because I wanted you to derive this formula in the test so that you will always remember. Now I think those of you who have derived this formula in the test, now you will never forget. Mostly you will not forget. Something will remain in your mind always, because that is why I've given you this formula in the test. So what this is now, this becomes, so sine 2x again I can convert into 2 sine x into cos x, right? This part, and into cos x, this is this thing, right? Plus cos 2x I can write as 1 minus 2 sine square x, okay, into sine x, right? So now if I'll multiply this thing, so this will be 2 sine x into cos square x plus this is sine x minus 2 sine of cube x. Cos square x I can write as 1 minus sine square x. So this is 2 sine x into 1 minus sine square x. This is same thing, plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. This will be 2 sine x plus sine x. So this will become 3 sine x, right? This part and this part I'm combining. This will become 3 sine x minus 4 sine of cube x, right? So remember this formula also. Okay, fine. Kaushik, tell me what was the question? Kaushik, tell you, Arey nahi bacha, it's not always I miss your question bacha, but sometimes if I'm driving a formula, then I won't see the chat. Hai na? Okay, ask me your question once again, fast. Just in meanwhile students are copying, you can ask me a question. Yes, I want you to copy and then use same concept, exactly same concept to find or to derive cos of 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. I want you to derive this. Okay, I want you to derive this concept, this question also, this derivation also. Kaushik bacha, ask fast now bache. Kaushik, how cos square x minus sine square x is equals to, you are asking how cos square x minus sine square x is equals to cos of 2x. This is the question you are asking. Yes, bache, ye to, this was the derivation for cos 2x na. This is I have done in the class. That is why maybe I saw your question. Maybe this is the derivation we have done in the class now. Cos 2x, if you'll open it, cos 2x into cos x plus x, then you will get that formula. You can try it once. Ye to bache, many times I have done this in the class. This is cos x plus x is equals to cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. So this will become cos square x minus sin square x. Happy Kaushik bacha? है ना? Okay. है ना? Okay, chalo. Fine. Okay. So I hope everybody must have got for cos 3x also. Last, so what I've done, 2 sin x I'm getting from this part. So this will be 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x from the first plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So from here and here I will get 3 sin x, and from here and here I will get minus of 4 sin cube x. है ना? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, copy this once and then start solving this part. And let's start solving this. Prana bacha, I have told you na ke यार but cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1 है ना. So cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x. This is identity, first identity, बच्चे, first identity which I wrote. From that identity I am getting you. Okay, so now see cos 3x again. If I'll try to solve this, I can write cos 3x as cos 2x plus x, right? So this will become cos of 2x into cos of 2x into cos of x minus sin 2x into sin x. So this cos 2x I will expand in the form of cos formula. So this is 2 cos square x minus 1, right? This part is this part into cos of x minus sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x into sin x, right? So this is, I will multiply. So this will become 2 cos cube x minus cos x, and this is minus 2 into sin square x. Sin square x I can write as sin square x, I can write as 1 minus cos square x, right? So this will simply become 2 cos cube x minus cos of x minus 2 cos of x plus 2 cos of cube x. So this will again transform into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos of x, same as we have tried. Okay, so copy both the derivation. I want you to copy both the derivation so that you will be able to understand. Okay, copy both the derivation please, so that you will be able to understand. If you will not copy, you will not remember. Remembering, best way to remembering is write the formulas 2 or 3 times, है ना? Write the formulas 2 or 3 times, you will be able to remember. Okay, copy this fast please. Fine, I hope everybody has copied. Yes, so let's move on to the next slide. Okay, anyways, afterwards we can get the slide. Okay, next. So next is last of the last of this kind is or this was fifth kind of formula is tan of 3x. So tan of 3x, we can simply write tan of 3x Bala, you can okay, copy this fast. Bala, you can just keep on solving question. Don't worry. These are the first 2 or 3, first 1 month. Just take your time. Get okay with the exams. You will get good marks. Don't worry, Bala. First 1 month. Tan 2x, bacha, we have already calculated that. Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Do you remember, Vijay? We have already found tan x plus y. So x plus y you can substitute as x. You can find tan 2x. Yes. Okay, I hope everybody has copied now. Let's move forward. Okay, so tan 3x I can find. So tan 3x, you have to prove that tan 3x will be 3 tan x minus tan cube x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Tan 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan x. Yes, very good. So what you can do to derive this tan of 3x, you can write equals to tan of 3x, you can write equals to sine of 3x upon cos of 3x. Either this is the method, okay, or tan of 2x, oh, sorry, tan of 3x, you can also write tan of x plus 2x. है ना? Tan of x plus tan of 2x. I want you to derive this. Derive using this. Okay, I want to derive using this. I just want to see how many of you will derive within 1 minute. I want to see how many of you derive using 1 minute. Let's see who can derive within 1 minute. Let's see. Very good, Vikashini, very good, excellent. Derive, very good. Nagarjun, very good, nice, done, very good. Pranav, very good. Ashwin, very good. Kanish, very good. Raghavendra, very good, very good, very good, very good. Only 10. Atish, I got it, sir. Tarun, very good, excellent. Any more? Any more? I want to see 5 or 6 more. Completed. Harita, Rajesh, Tarun, Harit, Rajesh, very good. Kiran Raj, very good, very good. Many are getting now. Yes, very good. So let's see 10 3x. Very good, excellent. So 10 3x I can write as 10 3x I can write as 10x plus 10 2x. So 10x plus 10 2x is 10x plus 10 2x divided by 1 minus 10x into 10 of 2x. And what was the value of 10 of 2x? 10 of 2x is equals to 2 10x upon 1 minus 10 square x. By this we have got by 10a plus b, 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a, 10a into 10b, right? So we have already seen this formula. We have already seen this formula, right? Okay, so let's see this one. So I will simply substitute. So this is 10 of x plus this is 2 10x upon 1 minus 10 square x divided by 1 minus 10x into 2 10x upon 1 minus 10 square x. When you will simplify this, you will take the LCM, and when you will simplify this, you will get 3 10x minus 10 cube x. Sorry, 3 10x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 10 square x. Simple as that. When you simplify this, you will get directly this formula. This is also a very important formula. Remember this. Okay, this is also a very important formula. Remember this. And one more thing, one more formula. This I am giving you as homework. This I am giving you as homework. Okay, remember this form. Remember this form. Tan of a plus b plus c. Tan of a plus b plus c. You have to prove. This is a homework. You have to prove tan of a plus tan of b plus tan of c minus tan a into tan b into tan c divided by 1 minus tan square a minus tan square b minus tan square minus 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan a into tan c. I want you to derive this formula and in homework. Derive this formula as homework. It is very important. So remember this form. Remember this form, and from here you can remember this form also. So remember this form. Remember this form. So first you can take a plus b, and then afterwards you can take a plus b as separate. Hai na? So solve this one first. Okay, I want you to solve this one as homework also. Okay, I hope everybody understood what I'm trying to say. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now everybody has copied this part. Just copy the homework also. Then we'll derive the ratio when we'll solve one question. Bache, a username and that you can talk to Ranjit Ramesh sir, है ना? He will be able to help you. Siddharth, he will be able to help you for Learnity. Any Learnity related issues, there is no problem. If you have forgot your username password, he will help you in finding your username password. Okay, you just send him a message. That, sir, I have I forgot my username password. I didn't know my username password. He will help you. Don't worry. You just send him a message. When he will see, है ना? When he will see, he will give you reply and you will be able to. Okay, yeah, I will give you his number at the end of the class. Okay, bacha, I have already shared the number. Anyways, I will share his number once again at the end of the class. You just call him. He is a very cooperative guy. He will help you. Don't worry. Okay, fine. Okay, don't worry, bacha, don't worry. Okay, so I have this is everybody is okay, this is copied by everyone. Okay, so let's solve a question now. Let's solve a question. So the question is very basic question. So sine cube theta plus sine of 3 theta upon cos cube theta minus cos of 3 theta. You have to prove this is equals to cot theta. No, 9 o'clock, 9 in the evening. No, bacha, I don't think so. If that late, there won't be any class. I'm not sure, bacha. Okay, solve this. Solve this first. Sine cube theta plus sine 3 theta cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta is equals to cot theta. Okay, solve this. Done? Anybody has done? Except Siddharth? Yes, except Siddharth, anybody has done? Very good, Vijay, very good. Ashwin, Jeffrey, very good. Okay, many of you are doing, able to do. So let's see, simply sine of 3 theta and cos of 3 theta, we will just simply substitute the formulas. Simply sine of 3 theta and cos of theta, we simply substitute the formula. So let's see. So we have sine cube theta plus sine 3 theta was 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta divided by, right? Divided by cos cube theta. So cos cube theta is what? Cos cube theta, if I'll write, so cos cube theta is, so cos cube theta plus cos cube theta I can sorry, here we have minus. So cos 3 theta I can write as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos of theta, right? So this will become sine cube theta plus 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta divided by cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. So this will be equals to sine cube theta minus 4. So this will become 3 sine theta minus sine, this minus sine cube theta, sorry, minus 3 sine cube theta divided by cos cube theta. So this will become 3 cos theta minus of 3 cos theta minus of 3 cos cube theta. I'm simply taking values, right? So this is, if I'll take 3 common from both, so this in numerator you will get sine common, sine theta common, 1 minus sine square theta from the numerator, 1 minus sine square theta from the numerator, and cos theta from the denominator. If you'll take common, 1 minus cos square theta in the denominator. So sine theta upon cos theta into numerator, you will get cos square theta upon sine square theta. This square will get cancelled with this, and this square will get cancelled with this. So you will get total of cos theta upon sine theta, which is nothing but cot of theta. Hence proved. Hence proved. Hence happy face, smiley face. Okay, everyone got? Another example. Okay, let's see. Okay, so just copy this one. Copy this one. Let's see if I can get one more example on the same concept. Let's see, just wait for a second. Okay. Yeah, I remember. There was one exam question which I have given you, which was actually will be used as a property. So you have to find the value of, the question was, find the value of sine x into sine 60 degree plus x into sine of 60 degree minus x, or sine x sine pi by 3 plus x into sine of pi by 3 minus x, right? So this was the question in exam, and they have asked you prove that this is equals to, so you have to prove, we now you have already looked at the answer, so this will be equals to 1 by 4 of sine of 3x. Now you have to prove this. Okay, yes, sine, this is a very important property बच्चों, ये this is a very important property है ना, this is a very important property. Just copy this, okay, previous slide, just copy the question, I will show you the previous slide. I mean, meanwhile, if you have not solved, please solve this one है ना, this is a previous slide. Yes, very good. That is why I've given these two questions, because these two questions, okay, these two questions, why have I given? Because these two questions are derivation. You can solve this using normal properties which we have done in the class. That is why I gave you these two questions in exam, so that while solving these questions, you can remember them also. है ना? That is why I've given you these questions in exam. So that if you will be able to solve this, if you are trying this question in the exam, you will be able to remember it, retain it for a longer time. है ना? Okay, so let's see anyone. So if I will use this part, so I will solve the question in terms of pi. I will solve this question in terms of pi. So what I will get, sine of x, sine pi by 3 plus x and sine pi by 3 minus x. So I will write sine of pi by 3 into cos of x plus sine of x into cos of pi by 3, and this part will be simply sine of pi by 3 into cos of x minus cos of x, sorry, cos of pi by 3 into sine of x, right? So if I will, so this is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So this is sine x, this is a square. So sine square pi by 3 into cos square x plus sine square x into cos square pi by 3 into sorry, minus, sorry, yeah, so this is minus, right? So this, if I will, so this is sine x into sine pi by 3, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, so sine square is 60 degrees 3 by 4 into cos square x is 1 minus sine square x, right, minus sine square x, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 4. Okay, so this, right, so this is, yes, so this becomes simply is equals to sine x divided by 4, 4 will be common, so this is 3 minus 4 sine square x, this is nothing but sine x by 4, this is sine x, sorry, by 4 into 3, sorry, I will write it completely. So this is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x divided by 4. So this is sine of 3x divided by 4. Understood? Which Giri Prakash, which part bacha? 3 by 4. Are sine pi by 3 is what? Sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So iska square kya hoga? 3 by 4. So that is why I have written 3 by 4. Right? And what is this? Cos pi by 3 is what? Cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So cos square pi by 3 is 1 by 2 whole square. And what sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So this whole square will also be this is whole square, right? So I've substituted these two values. Okay. Muthin, see, so what I've, see, what I'm doing is, okay, I will explain the whole part once again. See, what is happening is, let's see, sine, here we have sine pi by 3 into sine pi by 3 minus x. Here we have sine pi by 3 plus x. Here we have sine pi by 3 minus x. Hai na? So what I have written, this thing is, so this thing is sine, so just wait. So this thing is sine pi by 3 minus x, है ना? So sine pi by 3 minus x is sine pi by 3 into cos x, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b, right? And what is the value of this? This is sine a plus b cos b. This. So this part is this part is equals to this. Just check this one. This one is okay, right? Then this is a plus b and this is a minus b. This is a plus b and this is a minus b. So what I have done is, I have, so a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, right? So this whole a square, so I have taken the square of whole part and square of second part. So this, and simply sine pi by 3 is a constant. I have taken the value of constant. Cos pi by 3 is a constant. I have taken the value of constant. That's it. Sine 3x by 4, bacha, not sine cube x, sine 3x by 4. This is sine of 3x by 4. If you are confused, I will write it. This is sine of 3x by 4. Why? है ना? Okay. 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x by 4. So sine 3x by 4. Okay, fine. Everybody understood? Which part, bacha? Last, which step? Which step you want me to explain? 4 I have taken common. Kaushik, 4 I have taken common. So this is 4, right? This is that 4. This is 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x into sine x. So 3 into 1, this is 3. 3 into sine square x minus 3 sine square x minus sine square x, right? So minus 3 minus 1 will become minus 4. So this total will become 3 minus 4 of sine square x, right? And there was a sine x multiplied. This sine x, when multiplied with these 3, so 3 into sine x, right? And when sine x is multiplied minus 4, so minus 4 into sine square x into sine x. So this is this part. Now you understood, Kaushik? Everybody understood? Okay, fine. Let's copy this ones. Copy this ones. Okay. Fine. So similarly equal to this, if I will write cos x into cos pi by 3 minus x into cos pi by 3 plus x. This should be equals to, what do you think this will be equals to? Exactly similar to this. If this is, then what should be this equals to? What should this be equals to? Cos of 3x by 4. Cos of 3x by 4. Exactly similar to this one. So you can take this as a formula. So this is 5th, this is 6th, this is 7th formula. Okay. Cos 3x by 4. Very good. So this is cos 3x by 4. Okay. Fine. So, oh, then we can take any denominator like 4 as common factor. Huh? Ashwin, I'm not able to understand, bacha. From here also we have 4. So from here also we have 4. This is okay. Now eighth, but what is tan x? If I'll write what is tan x into tan pi by 3 minus x into tan of pi by 3 plus x. What will be this equals to? What will be this equals to? Tan of 3x or tan of 3x by 4? Tan 3x, yes, very good. So this is only tan x. Remember this, there's only difference between tan and sin is that this is tan 3x, not tan 3x by 4. है ना? Very good. So write all these three formulas also. Okay, very good, excellent बच्चों, very good. Everybody understood? I hope everybody understood this part till here. I think everybody must be clear. Okay, fine. Okay, very good, bacha, very good. Devdarshan, which part you're not able to understand? Tell me, bacha. I will explain once again. Sir, how are you getting last answer in sine derivation? How did you take sine x by 4? Which bacha? Where have I taken sine x by 4? Where have I taken sine x by 4? Tell me, where have I taken sine x by 4? Are this 4 I have taken common na. Are this is by 4 and this is by 4. So I have taken common 4 outside. So this is sine x by 4. See, this was by 4 and this is by 4. This 4 and 4 I have taken common outside. So that is by 4. Now did you understood? Are yes or no? Devdarshan, did you understood? This is by 4, so this is by 4. So suppose you have written a by 4 plus 5 by 4. This is 4, I can take common na. So a plus 5 by 4. This is like that. I have taken 4 common. Okay, chalo. Next. Let's start with next one. Okay. Okay, so I hope this one is understood. Now see, next set of formulas are already you have seen, but this will be a different looking formula. Next set of formulas you have already seen, but this this will be different looking formula. Just appearance has been changed, but the formula is exactly same. Appearance is exactly same, just appearance is just different, just the formula is different, है ना? So see, so what is they have given? Suppose you have been given sine of you were given sine of 2x is equals to 2 sine x into cos x, right? So suppose you have been given sine of 2x is equals to 2 sine x into cos x. This everybody knows. By this everybody knows. Suppose if I will take 2x is equals to theta. Suppose I am taking 2x is equals to theta. Then what is the value of x? X will be theta by 2. X will be theta by 2, right? So x will be theta by 2. So here what I will write, sine 2x as theta. So this will become sine of theta is equals to 2 sine of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, right? So this is also in a common language known as half angle formula. In a common language, this is known as half angle formula for sine. Half angle formula for sine x. Okay, everything is already we have seen. Everything we have already seen. Just a different way of writing. Just a different way of writing. Okay, so copy this one also. Okay, just a different way of writing. No. So it's not rule. So basically the formula is sine of x is equals to 2 sine x by 2 into cos of x by 2. This is the formula, है ना? Same thing. Okay, there is no rule k by theta ही रखना है. This is simply I am saying that sine x is equals to 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. This is half angle formula. Okay, same thing. This is exactly same. Okay, Similarly, if I have to write cos x in half angle formula, cos x in half angle formula, so what will I write? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, or 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, so if I will write cos x in half angle formula, so this is half angle formula, half angle formula for cos of x. Fine, just copy this one also. And if I had to write tan x in half angle, tan x in half angle, so this will become 2 tan of x by 2 into 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, this is what? Half angle formula for tan of x. Simple. Okay, copy this one. Yeah, this is same thing we have already seen, but this is a different name given. है ना? Instead of 2x, they have simply replaced x. So x I can write, see, in all the three you can derive them. X you can write as x by 2 plus x by 2. Similarly, 2x we have written as x plus x. Na? We have written 2x as x plus s. Similarly to that, we have written x as x by 2 and x by 2. Right? So half angle formula. In Jeffrey bacha only question dependent है ना, question dependent, so that is why I've given it is a question dependent formula. The question dependent use है ना, somewhere they have given question in x by 2, x by 4 है ना, so that is why. Scroll up beta, there is no scroll button here. Harid bacha, there is no scrolling option. Okay, so I hope till now, till today, this point, today's class is clear for everyone. Okay, now the homework is, this is your homework and very important. Okay, just copy this one, then I will tell you the homework. Very simple homework for today. Yes. Today's homework is very simple. You just have to do one thing. You just have to do one thing. Whatever questions of your test, okay, solve them again, solve them again, and send me the message which question you want me to solve. Okay, so this will be your question. This is your homework for today. Remember, this homework is very important. Whatever doubts you have in your exam, just send those questions to me. This is your homework for today. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, fine. Okay, check this one, and homework already I have told you. Do we have drought? No, bacha, no drought class today. Karthik, there is no drought class today, bacha. For maths, you do not have any doubt class today, I guess. From maths, you do not have. This is PDF printable. I will print now. I will send you. Today's I think your physics will be there. Yeah. So I will send you this as PDF. Yeah, this one is new. Actually, all board was, I think my subscription was over a free trial. So that is why I have to use this one. Okay. I'm sending you the PDF. But you can see the question of test again. You can see the question of test again. Don't worry. But this one is more interactive. That is why I'm using this one. है ना? I have sent you the PDF. I have sent you the PDF. I will send once again. Please do not type. Please do not type, bacha. Just wait. Just wait. हाँ. अरे. Yeah. I have sent. Okay. I've sent now. Just check it once again. If you have not got the slide, please send me the message. Sir, 11th class student, send me the slide. Just now, if you have not got, just send me the message. I'm 11th class student, not got the slide, not got the PDF. Hai na? If you have not got, just send me the message now. 11th class and not got. Just simply write 11th class, not got. I will send. Okay. Bache, I have already given my number thousands of times. Okay, chalo. Take care. Bye.